Techno Industrial Products introduce pneumatic Japanese-type couplers. These couplers are easy to use. In this position, air is going through, and when need to disconnect air, just pull out its plug from socket. Check image. It is available in various sizes, from a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch male and female BSP. For a hose tube of 8 mm, 10 mm, and 12 mm. It can be connected to PU tubes of 8 mm, 10 mm, and 12 mm OD with this nut type design. Air is off in this position. To on the air, just simply connect the plug to socket by pulling the socket, and air is ready to use.